G'day and welcome to my channel. Just thought I'd explain what I'm doing with this car. So I bought it on Marketplace for $250 a year and a half ago. Had no motor, no gearbox. You'll see here, the original wiring harness was chopped out. So originally it had a G16B engine in it, which is 95 model Jap import. That's why I wanted it. Here we have a M13A out of a 2003 Suzuki Ignis with 5-speed manual gearbox attached. See down here, drive shafts are actually already fitted and they go straight to the wheels both sides. Can't really show you this side, but believe me, sort of fits power steering pump, make up a turbo manifold because I'm going to turbo this. So basically I had this engine, you can see the first shot of this car, in a 2003 Suzuki Ignis, but it was mounted in the rear because the Ignis was put on a Mazda chassis. So this was actually mounted sideways to what it is now, in the rear of the chassis of a Mazda. And it was set up as a PTO engine because I was made a lawn tractor. But anyway, so here we are, we've got two mounts fabricated, bottom mount here, top mount up here. I need to make the front and the rear mount. And fun thing is, it still has a complete dash in it. Now all of this dash has to come out. I'm going to pull all of the remaining harness and whatever is remaining in there out. And then here we have the body harness out of the Suzuki Ignis. And there's the ignition module. There's the ignition barrel with key sensor. All your relays, all your switches, all the plugs. Now the problem is, as you can see these wires here, they're nice and long. I had to extend the harness to run on the Mazda chassis. It's the same reason why all of this is like this. As you can see, there's the original harness plugs. And then you got all of this. Well, that's the same as these here. Okay. Because I had to extend it to run this computer. So that actually plugs back in here. One way, that way. Anyway, so you get the point. So I've got to modify this harness. Purely as an engine run harness. Let's go back into here. So that's the plan. Thanks for watching.